Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the third look of my Valentines / Galentines inspired looks. So I'm going for a unconventional colour for Valentine's. So if you want to see what I come up with, then just continue watching. Okay, so to avoid the mishap of the first video, brush that had glitter on it, I am gonna open my new brushes, my Spectrum brushes. I got them over the Christmas holiday and I haven't used them yet. They're so beautiful. Like, they're so soft. So today I'm actually gonna be using two different sections. The browns from Tui section at the top, and the mustard colour from Kalia section. I'm going to be using the mustard. I've done the red, I've done the pink. I could do a purple, but I wasn't in the mood for that today, so unconventional it is. So I'm going to start and go into Hook Up, which is this brown here. Oh, even the way it picks up products. Oh, I'm in love. I've wanted a full set of Spectrum brushes forever, but the price, even then this was expensive, but there was a percentage off, so I went with it. Ooh, this is a nice brown. Oh, this brush, I'm in love. Oh, effortless. Oh, into another brush. All of these brushes are so fluffy. Oh. Don't mind me, it's my first time, isn't it? And then I'm going into my type. That's my type. To blend that out. These brushes. I'm gonna stop very soon, but I can't tell you when. Ooh, that's pretty. I thought of this at work actually, because I went into work with the red look that you guys probably saw. Going back in with the first brush, and if you didn't, I'll link it up above. And I thought, like, for me that's just regular, and I was like, yeah, feeling the fantasy. But for some people, like, that's really bold for them. And you see, I didn't add any new product. It's just what was already on the brush, and it's already coming back to what I want it to do. Blend out the edge. Then I'm going to cut the crease. Should I use one of the new brush? Yeah, I said I was good just for the eyes. Ooh, this would be a good highlight brush. Stop. I saw a flat brush. That's a big one. Here you are. Do they have numbers? Oh, they do have numbers. My bad. This is an A18 brush. And the one I use for transition is the B10 and the B6 to blend it out. Just in case you have Spectrum brushes. I know usually when I see people say, oh, it's that type of brush or whatever, I'm just like, I don't have that. I don't know why you tell me that, but you know. So I'm going to cut the crease off camera and come right back. Okay, it's not perfect yet, but what I wanted to show you guys is what I love about using a creamy product is that you can just tap it in and it sort of stamps it. And because this is quite creamy, I'm going to use the other side that doesn't have any product and just tap that into the eye. So soften out the edge. There you go. And then if you want the crease to be a little bit more defined, go in with your transition shade colour and just brush it lightly around. So I'm going to use the A13 and go into to make out sesh, which is that dark brown there. And I'm just going to apply, like tapping a line around my lash line. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We still have the lid shade to put on. That's not bad. And then what I'm going to do is go back into makeup sesh and add it to the outer corner. Deepen it up a bit and blend out the end of that liner that I just placed. Pretty. Then we're going to go back into the first brush, which is that one, B10, and then just blend out the outside of that. I'm going to go all around it and blend it out. You see, I didn't add any extra product. I don't want it to be too heavy because I have to go to work with this on. Okay, and then what's the plan, Mr. Wolf? Then I'm gonna go into Live It Up. Just gonna put it on my finger. That. Spray it with my Glow Revolution. I'm just gonna apply it with my finger first, and then ooh, pretty. Yeah, don't worry about the liner. I'm gonna go back over it. I just messed up a little bit, so cleaning it up. My fat fingers won't let me be great, so I'm gonna get a brush and I'm going to use the B11 and pop Live It Up on it. All these brushes are so fluffy, but in a good way. I'm spraying the brush. Hopefully it's small enough to give me what I need. Ooh, it even applies well with the brush. I'm just stamping it in where the cut crease is. Just trying to bring some of the definition back because I think I blended it out a bit too much. Go back in a bit more. Pretty. And then what I'm going to do is go back into the first brush, hook up on it, that shade there, and then I'm just going to apply it between the two shades. This reminds me of the look that I've done before. I'll insert a picture, but it's like a more grown-up version of it. Let me know what you guys think, or do you think they look the same? Because they probably do look very similar. It's the same colour story, so tap in. I'm going to swirl around in it so I get the colour come up a bit more. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to go back into the brush that I used, the B11, Live It Up, and try and blend those two together. And then I'm going to go into the original blending shade with a banded hair called My Type, and then just blend out everything. This colour, it may seem like it's not doing anything, you can't see it, but I definitely am seeing the difference. Okay, and then I'm gonna finally go back into Makeup Sesh, and then I'm gonna apply the liner part again. And what I'm doing this time is, as I apply it, I'm smudging it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm seeing this smudge liner thing everywhere, and I've wanted to try it for so long. I have tried it before, but in a look I didn't film. And then I'm just adding the darkness on the outer part. feel like we've lost a bit of the first shade. Tap a little bit into hook up. And then just blending out whatever's on the brush. I'll lift it up, and I think we're done with this eye. So I'm going to do my lashes, the rest of my face, well, my base, and I'll be right back. Just quickly, I just stamped in, like swirled around a bit more, so you can actually see the colour a bit better, like you can on this eye. Okay, because I'm running late, I did my lips off camera. I used my MAC X Patricia lipstick. I'm just going to do the blush and highlight. So I thought, seeing as we're going for like grown and sexy sort of look, I'll use the Dusk Till Dawn, use blush and the highlight. Perfect for highlighting. It is the B07. Hopefully. Okay, spray my face. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm just going to use the eyeliner in Dark Room by Morphe. Ooh, yeah. So I'm just going to put my lashes on off camera, and then I'll be right back to show you the final look. Okay, I just put on the eyelashes from Primo Lash in Paisley. Honestly, I am loving this vault. It's the best thing I've invested in. Like, I thought Aspen made me feel like that bitch, but Paisley? Bitch. Ooh, the highlight. Anyway, because I saw how dramatic the lashes are, I thought, let me go a little bit lower. You can see with Dark Room. Let me show you. This is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm very happy with this one. This one's giving me grown and sexy vibes. I'm talking like I have time for any of this. So late, but we move. Let me set my face one final time. It wants to work for me. That's the only thing when you go cheap with things, you know. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching as well, and I will see you next time. Bye! Everyone!